What's up? Get it out the mud, crew. Got something new, baby. Got a new toy. Not for the channel, for the family. We got, yes sir, that 2022 Forest River Wolf Pup camper. Sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sleeps 5 comfortably. You can definitely get more than 5 in it. When you camp, usually you're just sleeping overnight. This will be my first camper ever, first brand new camper, and we will be hauling it with the 2020 Jeep Gladiator max tow package. 7,200, I believe, don't quote me on that, is the max tow capacity. We've actually already pulled it from the dealer, pulled like a dream, and yes, the weight distribution, hitch and bars definitely work out. I don't know if y'all have ever had these, but man, they are a dream. I would highly recommend that for anything, even your trailer, if you're towing your mud vehicles. Of course, we've already branded it up a little bit. We got the outside fridge. We're not going to go too in depth. We got the electric awning, outside speakers, LED lights. We got the back rack, backup camera, which does not work very well. We're already tagging her up. This is the driver's side. Shitter's full. This opens up to the bunks on the inside. You got storage under there. Nice little camper, 21 foot from tongue to rear. We got the outdoor shower, all the good stuff. Take a quick look on the inside. Love these tempered glass doors. Done a few little modifications already. Of course, we got the hippie trippy bedspread here. We put a little 24-inch smart TV in. Rigged us some LED strip lights all around the top of the camper there. Can't see them right now, but we'll turn them on for you later. We got the little table set up that turns into a bed. Put the backsplash in. I think looks great. Kind of matches the spread here. I guess we're going with the blue, and turn some light on here. And one here. So yeah, that turned out real nice. Got the nice backsplash. Got the razor blade there, for what reason, I don't know. Yeah, kind of keep shit there. We're riding. Stovetop, 2 burners. The beautiful thing about this camper, look at the size of this fridge, man. It's damn near a full-size fridge. Runs on propane and electric. So yeah, we're excited, man, for our maiden voyage today. Day after Thanksgiving, Friday. Got the little bathroom. We've yet to do any upgrades. Like I said, we just got it. So we're ready, man. We're ready for the mud parks and camping in general. We're just ready to rock and roll, man. Plenty of storage under the bed, storage under the bottom bunk that you can get to from that door I showed you outside. We got storage under the seats here. We're going to put some drawers in under the bed, some drawers in here. We're going to do our own drawer system. But yeah, man, that's what's up. We are headed to Heber Springs today, and for the maiden voyage, see how well the Gladiator pulls on a long haul today. About 2.5, 3 hour drive from where we're at, so it's kind of not the best weather today. Cloudy, looks like 100% chance of rain tomorrow, Saturday. And so yeah, but we're gonna make the best of it. And if it rains, man. We're gonna see how well it does sitting up in the rain in the camper. First time setting up, breaking down. So yeah, check it out, man. 2022 Forest River Wolf Pup, first camper haul, first maiden voyage, first setup. See how that all goes. First time dumping the shitter tank. So yeah, this might be a little exciting. Hopefully we don't get sprayed down like a skunk, but stick with us, baby. Get it out the mud 901. Camper life. I'm telling you, this weight distribution bars are great. So we're all the way off, and I mean, the Gladiator is absolutely setting level. I mean, the camper drives only 3,300 pounds, but I mean, look at that. No drag, no tongue weight. It's actually lifted just a hair. Gotta love those weight distribution bars. I highly recommend that. Good old fuel time. $3.50 a gallon for mid-grade. So far, the Gladiator is pulling the 2022 Wolf Pup with ease. She's a hauling. First maiden voyage. Screen blowing around a little bit, but it's on with the spring. It ain't going nowhere. Let's get her filled up with petrol and get on back down the road. Had to stop at the old Wally World, pick up a few light essentials. From Memphis to here, we had the shoes move around from under there. A couple cushions fall over. I opened the fridge, but we didn't lock it. But a few little things. We're gonna make spinach cheese omelets in the morning. Got some burgers. We're gonna make some hamburger steaks. Had to get that A1, boy. But got a little stock in the fridge. Our mixers fit perfect there. Check this out. I love that. Probably not gonna stay. But we had to also grab us little tool set for the camper. And yeah, man, we're gonna load this up and pack up and then head on the rest of the way to the Wally World. Well, we made it to Jhon F. Kennedy. We're at the dam and the lookout. Go check that out in a minute. Jhon F. Kennedy, 35th President of the United States, dedicated Greer's Ferry Dam and Reservoir on this site, the 3rd of October, 1963. It's beautiful here. So we'll hit this restroom up and keep it moving. Look at that.
That's a snake.
That's a snake, bro. Look at that snake. He's got a little ring around his neck.
It's a ringneck snake. I think they're good snakes.
Fixing to walk to the lookout. Vanessa, you scared of getting the camera? Woo, look at that beauty. Pulling that wolf pup, boy, with no issue. Leveled out.
Yeah, read the sign.
No drones? Oh man, that sucks. Vanessa likes to read the signs, I don't. I can't hardly read it. That sucks, no drones. I wanted to get my drone out right here. That would have been amazing. Always wear your life jackets. Like that little girl. I will read that. Check it out. Nice little lookout. Be better if it went out there some. That would be cool. But yeah, we're here, man. Dedicated by Jhon F. Kennedy, President of the United States, October 3rd of 1963. Greer's Ferry Reservoir, constructed under the supervision of the United States Army Corps of Engineers, Little Rock District. In memory. In memory. Let's go. Pretty soon we'll be pulling up at the campsite, hooking up the RV camper trailer for the first time. See how this goes. I didn't think there would be. Is this the hatchery?
That's the hatchery right there.
You just get to walk there and look at them, huh?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's a cool experience. If you read it, it'll teach you about how the hatchery all works. It's really cool.
I'm going to read about how the hatchery works. Sounds like fun.
I like it.
Well, we're here at the park. There's a little hatchery here. We're going to check that out. Go check out all the big fish. And now we're looking for campsite B17. We're going to see how this first time setting up this camper is going to go. We'll get back with you. So we made it to our site, B17. And there's some campfire wood that's been left at the one beside it. We're gonna get that. Let's see if we can back this here trailer in.
Do I need to get out?
Nah. I'm a truck driver, man. Get out for what?
Good, I don't want to.
Cause it's too cold.
All right, that's good.
We might have gotten lucky with this site. Looks pretty level already. This is gonna be easy. Can you feel me? I swear I think they gave us a set of extra keys that doesn't go to this camper. Alright, let's get a few things out. Our 2-foot level here. Cheap ass level. We're a little, so we need to come up on this this left side, but not a whole lot. So let's try one block. We're gonna pull up one block and then see. We'll pull up on it. So just stop me when I get on top of that block, you hear me? That might be too much, but we're gonna find out. Perfect. Oh yeah, baby. Damn near spot on. That's close enough. Good deal. That was easy.
What's this thing?
So left to right was pretty easy. So the only dilemma is now I didn't bring my bricks for my jack. And I'm not sure, but I would hope these are strong enough. But we're damn sure gonna find out, because in order to get these weight distribution bars off this trailer, I definitely got to get this puppy up in the air and get the weight off of them, because if you try to pop these off without doing so, one, you ain't gonna get them off, and when you do, if they hit your legs, they're gonna break them. So we'll start there. All right, we're gonna leave that latched. We're gonna go ahead and take our chains off. Act like we've done this before. Go ahead and unplug our Bluetooth trailer brake. That thing's awesome. We'll go ahead and take that off so we don't lose it, and put that in the truck. And now we're gonna jack her up. I know, power jack is coming. I hope these little plastic deals are, I don't know about them. We're gonna find out. We might break them jokers. If we do, we'll figure it out. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this up. We're lifting the truck up too. Because these bars are wedged in here pretty good. So we're gonna get our cheater. You might want to wait before you get in there and do all that. I gotta get this, we're getting this thing level.
Okay.
See, I always jumping the gun. Look at there, step floating.
I thought it was
No. So this is where you got to watch with this thing here. Oh, look at there. Enough weight off of it. Came right off. That's why you keep that ball latched, so you don't have to fight that bar. Let's see how this one does. Not too bad. Just wake up the whole campsite. Alright, there we go. So now we're going to let it back down. You want to get in there and pull the truck up? Babe, you want to get in there and pull the truck up? There we go. Ball's latched off.
Are you unhooked?
Yeah, we're unhooked. Yeah, pull up.
Right, is this stuff gonna fall off?
Here. Give me that lock. Put that in the center console.
Okay.
This is going to go back on so we don't lose them.
Do I need your keys to the truck?
Yeah.
They're close enough? Okay. I'm good to pull up, right?
Yeah, go ahead. And get the truck out of the way. You don't have to go up much, just enough to pull this hitch off. Man, get that. Spend the extra money and get the weight distribution bars. It's amazing. That's good for safety. So let me show you how this is one thing. With any trailer you have, take your chains, run them through here, because we're going to lock the ball up too. But even if you have this ball locked up and your chains are left out, someone can still back up to your chains and hook them to the truck and pull off. So take those chains, run them through there and hook them together. Now they can't be hooked to a truck and just pulled off without the ball hooked up, and we got a ball lock for that. All right, let's get our front to back. We definitely need to go down. One thing I forgot to do, crucial mistake, we didn't chalk the wheels before we took the truck off. That was super dangerous. See, we're learning, man. We're learning. Maybe the hard way. We should have chalked the wheels for sure before we took it off the truck, but we didn't. Look at there, another mistake. My rope's not long enough, so I have to cut us a new piece of rope. We're learning, baby. Oh, now we're Gucci. Look, she's over there stealing left firewood. Here comes Nick and Melissa, it looks like. All in all, pretty good. I think our neighbors are coming. That big boy, hauling that big boy. It's a good little spot. What's up? Shit, y'all right there? Ooh, gotta swing this big boy in there. So you gotta swing this big boy in right there? Please. Oh, you got that. I'm from Memphis, baby, so we lock everything up around here. Taking no games, no chances, dog. Let's put our stabilizing jacks down. I got this handy dandy. I know my drill's probably about dead. Make it a little quicker. Other way, Jack. Oh, she's dead. There she goes. Look at that. Make it easy. So much quicker. Love this little skilled drill, man. It is awesome. It's got some power too. He's about dead though. Let's see if we can get all 4 down before it dies. Get the big boy out. Always got a backup plan, baby. There we go. When my little one's dead. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hoo-hoo. Let's That's why we bought that kit I showed y'all earlier. It's got a Sawzall, battery powered Sawzall, a couple other things, and you can hook up a bunch of different attachments to it. Just a little cheap Walmart brand, but we always bring a backup plan. On what?
How many fish you catch?
I already caught one.
When?
When I first got here with a hand line.
What did you catch it on?
My hand.
With what?
My hand.
Like you
I reached in there and caught it.
You lie.
I swear to God, I don't lie. Alright. First time hooking the power up. I would be alive if I said I wasn't a little nervous. Hold on, we gotta check that surge protector. What's this saying? $20 amp on. That don't sound good at all. Surge protected. You heard that clicking? Have y'all ever experienced that? I don't know. Like I said, it's my first time. We're all green. And we're good to go. Ooh, that sounds weird, bro. I got the power on. Oh yeah, we got power. Look at our lights.
Good.
Little upgrade I did. Little changing color lights throughout here. Look at that. Hell yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, this needs to go in that little cubby spot.
Alright, let's see. We got TV power. Yeah, we won't be doing a lot of TV, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we might be laid up in here watching a little TV. TV's working. I don't know how good the light is right now. Let's get some light on. So this is the little dedicated drills for the camper. Sawzall, flashlight, come with your little bits and drill bits and all this. So this is like $120 at Walmart. Got us a little blade for cutting wood. So yeah, man, we're good to go. Next we got water pressure regulator. I thought this was adjustable, maybe, so we're fixing to find out. With this, you don't want to blow your lines out. So the way this is looking, probably gonna hook this first, because the way that spigot down there is located. Homeboy got hella wood over there. Maybe we should ride around to some of these other campsites and see if there's some wood left. I'll get it. Alright. Well, I thought this regulator was adjustable, but it's not. So We're gonna roll with it. Guess I just paid the extra money to have a gauge on there. So what it's looking like. We'll definitely have to get another one. Keep this for a backup. One thing I seen. Yeah. It's just the on and off. That needs to be off. Yeah. All right, where we at? Got some smoking going on. That's weird. Maybe that's the water filling up the tank. Yeah. I looked in and this was on, but she's a little low. This is filling the tank up. All right. Let's see.
Shower's working because it was on.
Yeah, that's what I said. Come here. That's running pretty good. Get some of the air out of the lines. It's an on-demand water pump, but we shouldn't need it because we got pressure rise from the city water. It's running pretty good.
That thing's still, I turned it off. It's leaking.
Yeah, we might have to do something.
Shit.
Get out of there, water. There we go. Sweet.
We forgot coffee filters.
Oh no, maybe Nick and Melissa got some. All right. Excuse me. Check under here and make sure we're not leaking anywhere. Being a new camper. All right, no leaks. We don't have hot water yet. No sense in even trying. I know we don't. Well, it's a hot water tank, so it's gonna have to sprucing up, heat up. We ain't got no leaks. Looking good. We need to get some water in our black tank. So I seen this trick. Just barely open it and let the bowl fill up. And that looks maybe close to a gallon. So we want to get some water in the black tank. So we're going to fill that bowl up. I would say that's close to a gallon. I'm going to dump about, I don't know, I'd say 5 gallons in it. Dump. Fill it up again. Didn't hook my water filter up. I knew I was forgetting something.
What happened?
I didn't hook the water filter up. We're fixing to be official, like a referee with a whistle. What's up, dog? Nick and Melissa's dog jumping on everybody in the park. Now we ready. Now we ready. Alright, well, we're hooked up. First time blunders. Forgot to chalk the wheels before we unlatched from the truck. That could have been a very bad situation if this was any more hilly, and what's behind us is just a straight drop off some trees. That definitely would have damaged the trailer. That was the major thing, the most important thing. And we did not put our filter on ahead of time, but we're there now. And that's it, man. We're hooked up, we're ready, we're gonna camp. That was our first time experience leveling up, hooking up, getting here. Gladiator pulled great. And now we're gonna get to enjoying our trip. Like and subscribe and share if you would. More camping videos coming, and definitely more mud videos coming.